I've been to lots of different salt mine productions and I reckon tonight was the best.
It's fantastic, really good acting, it's amazing.
Everything was realistic, it was down to earth.
And an amazing interpretation of a fantastic story.
What kind of pastor would I be, huh? If I stir up in that church every week saying you must do what the Lord tells you, and when it comes to me I don't do nothing, you keep going on about shoes. You try them on.
I can kill you right now, preacher!
Yeah. Yeah, you could do that, Nicky.
It can present you with characters that, if you just read about them, you would think, well, they're monsters, I don't want anything to do with these people. But because the play forces you to get to know them and to see some of the reasons why they're this way and get to know them as people, then I think you have to start looking at them a little bit with the same eyes that David Wilkerson looks at them.
I'll miss you.
I thought it was awesome.
Very moving.
Absolutely brilliant.
He helped me get sorted out, can't you see that?
Extremely good.
Powerful.
Fantastic.
Open up the gates of hell. The bishops are gonna burn.
When I read my Bible, I see that all have sinned.
Listen to me! Listen to me! Open your eyes!
You could cut me into 1,000 pieces and lay me out there on the floor. But every piece would look up at you and cry out, Jesus loves you. And you can't run away from that.